Hello, good morning to all of you. Today, your chapter is about pronoun. This chapter is very important for you. You know, in Hindi, जो शब्द संज्ञा के बदले में आता है उसे सर्वनाम कहते हैं. But in English, the word which is used in place of a noun is called pronoun. Second definition, the word which stands for a noun is called pronoun. The word which is used in place of a noun, instead of a noun, is called pronoun. As for example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Pronoun it is of 10 kinds. But in Hindi, you know there are 6 kinds of a pronoun, but in English, the pronoun is of 10 kinds. Number 1, personal pronoun. Number 2, distributive pronoun. Number 3, demonstrative pronoun. Number 4, interrogative pronoun. Number 5, indefinite pronoun, definite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and at last, indefinite. You know, personal pronoun. What is the personal pronoun? The pronoun which indicates about person, that is personal pronoun. It is of 3 types: first person, second person, and third person. You know, first person saying is first person, saying to is second person, and saying of third person. There are 2 numbers of a pronoun, singular and plural. It is used in 3 cases: as a nominative case, objective case, and possessive case. See, both I am giving you chart. First person, second person, third person. Singular, number. Plural, number. I is the singular number of first person. We is the plural number of first person. You, second person, singular number. You, plural number. He for male, she for female, and it for neuter. The plural form of he, she, it, they. In Hindi, saying, saying to, saying of. If this is the diagram of the pronoun as nominative case. You can ask me nominative case. What is the nominative case? and what is objective case and what is possessive case. Nominative case, when the pronoun is used as a subject of the verb, that pronoun is called in nominative case. When the pronoun is used as an object of the verb, that pronoun is called in objective case. When the pronoun shows possession, willing, desire, that pronoun is called in possessive case. Listen to my words carefully. The possessive case indicates ownership. Ownership means मालिकाना हक, रिलेशन, संबंध को बतलाता. So it is in possessive case. First person. Person means पुरुष. You know, first person, second person, third person. First person saying to, second person saying, first person saying, second person saying to, and third person saying of. This is the diagram of person as nominative case. When the pronoun is used as a object of the verb, that pronoun is called in objective case. Now I going to give objective. The diagram, see, I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. These are the objective form of the pronoun. Use, please see, use. I love you means मैं तुम्हें प्यार करता हूँ. In this sentence, I pronoun is used as a subject of the verb love, and here you is used as a object of the verb. So this pronoun is in nominative case and this pronoun is in objective case. Second sentence, this is his book. यह उसकी किताब है. Here his is an adjective. So this because it shows the possession, the ownership of the word book. Possessive case, संबंध वाचक. Now I am going to tell about interrogative pronoun. The pronoun which asks a question is called an interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Example, what, which, whose, who, whom, whose, how. These are the interrogative pronouns. Now I am explain you about interrogative pronoun by example. To use read what is interrogative pronoun and what is also interrogative adjective. What is difference between pronoun and adjective? You know, pronoun is the substitute of a noun. We use pronoun to three types. What is the function of pronoun? First function, pronoun, it stops the repetition of the noun. Second, it is the substitute of the noun. Here, what example, what is this? And what is your name? Here what pronoun? But what pronoun? It is used as a pronoun, but here what color do you like most? मीन्स कौन सा रंग तुम सबसे अधिक पसंद करते हो. Here what is not pronoun, what is interrogative adjective because it qualifies the word color. You know, an adjective is a qualifying word. It qualifies noun or pronoun. In this sentence, what word is not pronoun, but it is an adjective. But here, what is your name? In this sentence, what is used as a pronoun? Which is yours? In this sentence, which indicates the selection. चुनाव, which is yours? आपका कौन सा है? In this sentence, which indicates selection. Which is yours? आपका कौन सा है? But here it is a pronoun. But which class? Do you read in? तुम किस वर्ग में पढ़ते हो? It indicates selection, but it is used as an adjective because it qualifies the word class. So, which here, which interrogative adjective, and here in first sentence, which is pronoun. Then you can say pronoun, the word which asks a question is called an interrogative pronoun. Next, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. In this category, 4 words. In middle standard 4 words, but higher standard 5 words. This, that, these, those, and such. This indicates nearness, that indicates farness. Both are used for singular noun. These indicates nearness, those indicates farness. Both are used for plural. Here, understand this is a boy. यह एक लड़का है. In this sentence, this is demonstrative pronoun. But see, this boy is Mohan. In this sentence, this demonstrative adjective because it qualifies the word boy. That is pen. Here, that pen is that is a pen. Here, that demonstrative pronoun, but that pen is yours. वह कलम तुम्हारी है. Here, that is demonstrative adjective because it qualifies word pen. These are students. These are students. These students are my brothers. In this sentence, these demonstrative pronoun, but here these demonstrative adjective. These is used for plural noun for a students. These are students. ये सब विद्यार्थी हैं. These students are my brothers. ये सब विद्यार्थी मेरे भाई हैं. Such means ऐसा. Such happened ऐसा हुआ in this sentence such is pronoun. But I have not seen such flower before. मैंने ऐसा फूल पहले नहीं देखा है. In this sentence, such is demonstrative adjective. So then this, that, these, those, and such are demonstrative pronoun. Here, I want to clarify the use of pronoun and adjective. Demonstrative pronoun and for demonstrative adjective. The use of demonstrative pronoun and the use of demonstrative adjective, I want to clear on the board. Third, indefinite pronoun. The pronoun which does not indicate indicates certainty but uncertainty. These pronouns are called indefinite pronoun. Example: anybody, some, somebody, something, nothing, anyone. These are the examples of indefinite pronoun. Any, you can do, you can do, any thing, तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Any can do this, कोई भी इसे कर सकता है. Some का अर्थ कुछ होता है, but in number. It is in depth, it is always indicates number and also indicates quantity. I want to clear. Some are present in the class. कुछ लोग वर्ग में उपस्थित है. Here some pronoun. I have some milk. मेरे पास थोड़ा दूध है. Here some adjective. Somebody has stolen my pen. किसी ने मेरे कलम को चुरा लिया. या anybody has stolen my pen. Something, nothing. It is a proverb. समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग। जहाँ कुछ नहीं है वहाँ थोड़ा तो है। समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग is greater than nothing. Here, something is used as a pronoun, nothing is used as a pronoun. Somebody, someone, koi has stolen my book. किसी ने मेरी कलम चुरा ली है। Here someone is used as a pronoun. Means all the indefinite pronoun indicates uncertainty, not certainty. Now I am going to end this class. I will meet you in next class. Thank you.